Nestled in Plumstead Township, just minutes from historic Doylestown in Bucks County, Pennsylvania, Patriots Ridge is one of the area's largest townhouse communities. Built in the late 90s, the neighborhood comprises roughly 600 townhomes built over several years and serves a mix of homeowners and renters. Between March 9th and March 21st, Lemus Construction completed the first building in what is expected to become a larger community improvement effort. Working alongside the community managers from Continental Property Management, the team began to take on the major issue hidden beneath the surface. Prior inspections had already identified concerns with moisture accumulation beneath the existing roof system. This had led to leaks, making this building specifically selected as the first phase of improvements because it showed some of the most significant signs of deterioration within the community. Once construction began, crews were able to confirm the extent of the issue. Years of trapped moisture had accumulated inside the attic space without a proper way to escape, a common challenge in older multifamily buildings where ventilation systems were not installed to the same standards as modern ones. As roofing materials were removed, the underlying sheathing revealed the long-term effects of that trapped moisture. In some areas, the plywood decking had deteriorated so severely that it crumbled apart during removal. Rust stains surrounding roofing nails provided further evidence of years of moisture exposure beneath the roofing system. Led by project manager Carlos with Humberto and Abraham, Lemus Construction navigated weakened roof sections, maintaining safety and efficiency. Damaged materials were replaced with new pressure-treated sheathing and fire-retardant treated wood, bringing everything up to modern code. The building was then upgraded with GAF Timberline HDZ shingles in the popular weathered wood color, providing algae resistance, enhanced durability, and a fresh new look. In addition to the roofing replacement, new gutters and downspouts were installed to improve water management and complement the building's updated appearance. To keep work moving efficiently, JCB telehandlers and equipter vehicles were used to safely transport shingles, decking, and debris throughout the job site. Crews worked carefully around landscaping, common areas, and resident activity to minimize any disturbances. Communication remained a key part of the process. Before work began, Lemus Construction hand-delivered start notices directly to residents, helping homeowners understand what to expect and how to prepare for construction activities around their building. As the first phase of a larger roofing program, this building demonstrated how proactive multifamily roof services can uncover hidden problems before they become costly structural concerns. Today, the building is protected by a new roofing system, improved ventilation, a 5-year Lemus Construction labor warranty, and the GAF Golden Pledge Limited Warranty, one of the strongest warranties available in the roofing industry. For the residents of Patriots Ridge, this was more than a roof replacement. It was an investment in the long-term protection and value of their community for years to come.